Good morning, all the first year students. Today we will discuss the new point. Today we will discuss the new point, G-Vetter ions. Z-Vetter of the amino acids Z-Vetter of the amino acid. You know the amino acid is apolitic in the nature. Amino acid it can donate the proton or accept the proton. It's happen. In Z-Vetter ions, the amino acid dipolar movement you can see there. The ionization of amino acid depend on the pH. Dipolar movement of the amino acid ionization, it should be depend on the pH. It's depend on the pH. How? The amino acid rarely exist in a neutral form. The amino acid exists in the neutral form rarely with free carboxylic group and free amino group. The amino acid rarely exists the neutral form, free carboxylic acid and the free amino acid. In the strongly acidic pH, what happened now? In the strongly acidic pH, low pH. The acidic pH is strong, the pH is the low. The amino acids is positively charged. Positive charge, you can say the cation, while in strongly alkaline pH is high. Of course, high pH, ये pH है, ये ज़्यादा रहेगा. The acidic pH is start from 1 to 7 and afterwards 7 to 14 is a alkaline. That's why pH value is high, or in acidic pH value is low. See, in the strong acidic pH of amino acid is positive charge, you can say the cation. while in the strong alkaline pH it is negatively charged, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, अनायन, नेगेटिव चार्ज बोलते हैं अनायन. ओके, नाउ अभी ये ज़िविटर आयंस है, ये अमीनो एसिड्स है. This is general structure of amino acids. Now here what happened now? देखो यहाँ पे दिस what is the acidic condition. Amino acid show the donate the proton or accepting the protons. ये इधर प्रोटॉन शुड बी डोनेट कर रहे और यहाँ पे प्रोटॉन शुड बी द एक्सेप्ट कर रहे. नाउ हियर द प्रोटॉन देयर वेयर इज देयर, देन हाउ द चार्जेस इज अ नेगेटिव चार्ज आर सी acidic having the negative charge. In the strong acidic condition, pH is low, is donate the proton, the positive charge and the cation. ये positive charge, ये donate करिए, then it should be the carbonic acid negative charge and NH2, that is anion. Anion, it should be the negative charge, ये negative charge. Okay, is a high pH. In the high pH यहाँ पे RCH carboxylic, यहाँ पे it's a positive charge 3, that is cation. ये क्या होगा, cation is a low pH. Now see the where is the low pH. In the strong acidic condition, amino acid is positive charge of cation, ये positive charge of the cation. In the strong alkaline, negative charge is carboxylic group, is a anion, is a high pH. Now they are donate or accepting. Here यहाँ पे opposite, these are the proton should be accepted. यहाँ पे donate, यहाँ पे donate किया था, यहाँ पे accept कर रहा है, यहाँ पे accept किया, यहाँ पे donate कर रहा है. And then amino acids show the both charges on that is called Zwitter ion. इसको क्या बोलते हैं, Zwitter ion of amino acids. कब आते हो, at isoelectric pH, when the pH is isoelectric. Zwitter amino acids, can you understand? Zwitter ions Zwitter amino acids, ionization of amino acid depend on the pH. ये pH पे depend है. How is the depend on the pH? The amino acid rarely exists neutral form. Amino acid exist very rarely exists the neutral form, the free carboxylic acid and the free amino group. In the strong acidic pH, amino acid is positive charge. It's a positive charge, say the cation. While in the strong alkaline media, amino acid show the high pH is having the anion, that the high pH and the low pH. Low pH having the cation and the high pH show the anion. Is exact vice versa, that amino acids having the positive and the negative charge, that is the dipolar movement of take place cation and the anions, that called the ionization of amino acid depend on the pH. How is pH depend? pH is change, cation and anion. Here is pH is change, is acidic and the basic, and then the both charges is occur. That amino acid called as the derivative ions of the amino acid at isoelectric point of pH. Diagram is must, very simple. Dipolar movement of amino acid depend on the pH. ये जो cation and ion, that is dipolar movement depend on the pH. Low pH show the cation, high pH show the anion in the acidic and the alkaline media. Change the media, acidic and alkaline, both charges on the amino acid, that is called as the derivative ions of the amino acids at isoelectric point of pH. Is totally based on the pH, depend on the pH. Okay. Now at isoelectric point of pH, what do you mean by the isoelectric point? ये क्या रहता है isoelectric point of pH? Isoelectric pH is defined as the G-water ions or dipolar ion and carries no net charge. यहाँ पे carries no charge, plus minus is equal to 0, there is no net charge. Thus molecule is electrically neutral and does not move in an electric field. You understand? Very simple. Isoelectric point of pH is defined as the G-water ions or dipolar ions carry no net charge. यहाँ पे net charge नहीं है. G-water ions plus minus 0, that's why there is 0. The no net charge, carry no net charge. Thus the electrically is neutral this and does not move in electric field, is called as isoelectric point of pH. Isoelectric point of pH means amino acids, they don't have any net charges, it's 0, it's a free form and is electrically is neutral because there is no net charge and it does not move in the electric movement, dipolar movement नहीं होंगी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में, उसको बोलते हैं आइसोइलेक्ट्रिक पॉइंट ऑफ pH. Okay, now next अब ये how to calculate the isoelectric point of pH formula. The isoelectric, अभी ये isoelectric point होगा अपना. What do you mean by the no net charge? The isoelectric point at characteristic of each amino acid at the isoelectric point. The amino acid are white insoluble and thus precipitate out. This is called isoelectric precipitation of amino acid. Isoelectric point of characteristic of each amino acid. आइसोइलेक्ट्रिक पॉइंट अब कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ ईच अमीनो एसिड, सबका कैरेक्टर डिफरेंट अमीनो एसिड्स का एट आइसोइलेक्ट्रिक पॉइंट इट क्वाइट इंसोल्यूबल और सोल्यूबल नहीं है, इट हैविंग द प्रेसिपिटेट फॉर्म करता एंड देन दैट पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड एज आइसोइलेक्ट्रिक प्रेसिपिटेशन. द डिफरेंट अमीनो एसिड्स हैविंग द डिफरेंट आइसोइलेक्ट्रिक पॉइंट, द डिफरेंट amino acids having the different isoelectric point. हर एक अमीनो एसिड का आइसोइलेक्ट्रिक पॉइंट डिफरेंट रहेगा, डिपेंड ऑन द इट्स कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ अमीनो एसिड ऑफ ईच. हर एक अमीनो एसिड का कैरेक्टर डिफरेंट रहेगा, उसका डिफरेंट amino acid having the different isoelectric point. The isoelectric point is calculated by following formula. Abhi the isoelectric point is कैलकुलेटेड बाय द, अब ये कौन से फॉर्मूले से कैलकुलेट करते हैं, फॉर्मूला. नाउ pH, आइसोइलेक्ट्रिक इज डिनोटेड एज अ pH इज इक्वल टू pK1 दैट इज एसिड प्लस pK2 NH3 group divided by 2. Example of leucine. Example is leucine. Its acidic pK value is 2.4, basic pK value is 9.6 divided by 2. Now you have to do total. 4 10 9 11 12 divided by 2 is getting the 6 is the isolated value of the leucine. Where what do you mean by the pK, negative log of dissociation constant of carboxylic acid. Now where अभी ये pK क्या है, pK1 is equal to negative log of dissociation constant of carboxylic acid. What is pK value? Now similarly pK2 value is negative log of dissociation constant of amino group. ओके एग्जाम्पल अभी ये these are the amino acid, different amino acid having the different isoelectric pH. Now see the example, उसके example है electric pH, isoelectric pH. Now the first, see the lysine amino acid is PA, isoelectric pH 9.47, 9.74, sorry, 74. The glycine 5.97, arginine 10.26, phenyl alanine is having 6.20. Aspartic acid is having 2.87. Glutamic acid 3.22. Now see the different amino acid having the different, not the similar isoelectric point of pH. The isoelectric point of pH is characteristic of each amino acids. At isoelectric point of pH, amino acid is quite insoluble. They form a precipitate out. This is called as isoelectric precipitations. The different amino acid in the different isoelectric point of pH. Now see how it can be calculated by the formula. The isoelectric point of pH is calculated by following formula. Isoelectric denoted as a pH. Isoelectric pH is equal to pK1 acid, that is the negative dissociation constant of carboxylic acid, plus negative dissociation constant of amino group divided by 2. For example of leucine, pH, isoelectric pH of leucine is negative constant of carboxylic acid 2.4 and negative constant of amino acid is 9.6 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 is leucine value is 6. The isoelectric point of pH is 6 of the leucines. You know where, what do you mean by this pK1 and pK2? Earlier I told you the different amino acid and the different pH. Okay, now this is the isoelectric point of pH. Now these all the physical properties of amino acid is over. Now the next, now today again see the chemical properties. The next point is in the chapter. Okay, 1 minute. Chemical properties of amino acids. Okay. The first, now you know the physical properties, or second is a chemical property, the carboxylation. First property, decarboxylation. What happen in the amino acid undergoes decarboxylation. Amino acid undergo decarboxylation. टू प्रोड्यूस, क्या होता है डिकार्बोक्सिलेशन होने के बाद में, टू प्रोड्यूस करस्पॉन्डिंग अमाइंस, क्या होता है करस्पॉन्डिंग अमाइंस. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल, दिस शुड बी द अमाइनो एसिड, ये अमाइनो एसिड है. डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन टेक प्लेस, क्या होता है प्रोसेस, डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन. दिस द डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन टेक प्लेस, इट्स अमाइनो एसिड, इट गिव्स द अमाइन, क्या देता है कार्बोक्सिलेशन प्रोसेस में अमाइंस. हाउ इज गिव, आर CH2 NH3, that gives the amines. Remove of carbon dioxide is a gas. Okay, this reaction is assumed. Significance of this reaction, significance, इसका importance क्या है, significance in this reaction in this living cell due to formation of many biological important amine in the living cells, reaction on the living cells due to formation of many biologically important amines. इसका significance से important है, they are form important amines in the biologicals they need for the body. The second reaction, second reaction for reaction with ammonia. Reaction with ammonia, the carboxylic group of alpha amino acid, carboxylic of alpha amino acid react with ammonia to give क्या product, it give the amides. Now you can say also formation of amide reactions, ये reaction है. Now example, now can you tell me structure of which amino acids, कार्बोनिलिक अल्फा अमीनो एसिड रिएक्ट विद द अमोनिया, अमोनिया पे रिएक्ट होगा ये अमीनो एसिड से. कैन यू टेल मी, आर यू अंडरस्टैंड? दैट इज अमोनिया, ये अमोनिया है, दैट इज aspartic acid. Carboxylic group of alpha amino acid that having the two, that's acidic amino acid. That aspartic acid react with the ammonia, it gives amide. क्या मिलता है उससे अपने को? amide मिलता है. ये NH2 C double bond O CH2, remaining structure as it is CH NH2. Can you understand? Very simple reaction is plus water molecule. Water molecule is removed. Now here reaction take place. Where? Now this ammonia is class simplify is 2H2O and 1H, that is remove water molecule. That's why here NH2 C double bond O CH2 CNH, then the structure that is called the amide. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? amide. Name of that amide is asparagine. Asparagine. Now this is the reaction with ammonia to form amide. Sometimes question asks, write down reaction formation of amides. You can write down this reaction. Carboxylic group of amino acid means acidic amino acid react with the ammonia, remove of water molecule to give the amide. That name of that compound is asparagine. Okay. Similarly, you can write down the another glutamic acid react with ammonia, it gives glutamine. Is another reaction. Okay. And next reaction ester formation. The carboxylic group of amino acid react with the ethanol, hydroxyl group of the carboxyl group of amino acid react with hydroxyl group of alcohol to give an ester. क्या मिलता है अपने को? ईस्टर मिलता है. वो कैसे मिलता है? नाउ यू कैन वेरी simple manner you can write down the general structure of amino acid. Okay. Now this is the R, this is the, you know the acid, how you write down? This is the acid, is called the amino acid. Amino acid react with the hydroxyl group of alcohol, that CH3 CH2 OH, that is the ethanol. That is a hydroxyl group. ये क्या है? Hydroxyl group of alcohol, that is a hydroxyl group of alcohol OH. It can react with the remove of water molecules. How? ये OH or AH, that remove of water molecules and remaining structure as it is. Write down R CH NH3 C double bond O, ये this O CH2 CH3 plus water molecule. This OH and H is removed. that is water molecule and that is the ester formation. ये ester form हुआ. Okay, ester formation take place. How the ester formation is take place? The carboxylic group of amino acid react with the hydroxyl group of alcohol to give and the ester मिलता है. This is amino acid is simplified. This acid group you can write down this manner, but you also write down this manner also. That simplify because you understand how the reaction take place. The both are the same, carboxylic. RC, this is the amino acid. Carboxylic write down the this manner. C double one OH react with the ethanol. That is a hydroxyl group of alcohol, that is ethanol. The OH of ethanol hydroxyl group and the H remove water molecule and remaining structure as it is does not change. उसमें ये वाटर मॉलिक्यूल जाने के बाद स्ट्रक्चर सेम रहेगा. देखो ये R C H NH3 C double bond O, यहाँ पे O that is the ester CH2 and CH3. I remove water, that is called the ester. Okay, now these are the chemical reaction, and tomorrow you can see the very important reactions of those asked in the annual examinations. These also asked Nein-Adrien reaction, FDB reaction, PICD reaction. These are the big reaction. It take time. Okay, thank you.